How often do you use toothpicks? Do you know that toothpicks are harmful to your teeth? Not sure how you can answer that question? Stick around as I explain the disadvantages of using toothpicks. Well, as much as toothpicks may seem not to be harmful to others, well, toothpicks have got several disadvantages with your teeth. And I'm here to explain to you disadvantages of using toothpicks. So in this video, I'll make two parts to this video, explaining the disadvantages of using toothpicks and what can you use in your place of toothpicks. So there are 4 disadvantages of using toothpicks, of which I'll highlight today. The first one is toothpicks cause gum recession. The second one, toothpicks cause bone recession. The third one, toothpicks cause periodontal pockets. And the last one is toothpick causes spacing in between your teeth. Yeah, I know there are several other disadvantages of using toothpicks, but today I'll just highlight these 4 too. So in this video, I'll just talk about the 2, then the other 2 I'll talk about them in my next video and what you can use in place of that. Okay, so on gum recession and bone recession, what actually is gum recession and bone recession? So when you talk about gum recession is basically when the gums recede or shrink from the actual way they are. So this is gum recession. Gum recession occurs when you frequently use your toothpick. So as you are using the toothpicks, the gums are detaching from your teeth. As they are detaching from your teeth, the gums are exposed and they start recede. As they are receding, meaning they will shrink in size. This is basically how gum recession occurs. So how does then bone recession occurs? So this is bone recession. Bone recession is basically when the bone starts to shrink. Same principle as gum recession. So this occurs as you are using toothpicks, the gum will start receding, shrinking in size. When it's receding, the bone or the inner parts of the tooth will be exposed. As this part is being exposed, the more you use your toothpicks, the more you are applying pressure on your gums and on your bone. So this means that the bone will start shrinking. Hence, this will cause several dental conditions in which you start experiencing sensitivity whenever you drink anything cold or hot, and others even start having pain randomly without anything stimulating it. Well, these are the 2 disadvantages of using toothpicks. On my next video, I'll talk about the remaining 2, which is spacing in between the teeth and periodontal pockets. Then I'll also talk what you can use in your place of toothpicks. Thank you for watching this video.